Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing a Dollar Tree Easter and spring haul, as well as I'm going to be showing you guys me decorating for spring and for Easter. So I'm really excited. I am so ready for spring to be here. Those of you that don't know, I live in Canada. It's cold where I live. We get a ton of snow and it's finally starting to feel like spring weather. I'm finally starting to feel like spring cleaning. The snow is melting. I'm feeling good. And I went to the Dollar Tree and I got some stuff for the spring. So I want to do a quick haul and show you guys what I all picked up, and then we're going to get into the decorating. Okay, so this is kind of the overview. So I've got some stuff for Easter, some Easter decorating, some Easter chocolates and stuff for when the Easter bunny comes. And I also got some garden things as well. So we're gonna start back here. So I picked up these trellises, and that's for tomato plants because last year I planted so many tomatoes and I did not have enough trellises and I couldn't find them by the time I needed them. So I picked up 3 extra of those. And then down here, I got this adorable little sign. Here, let me just move this tag out of the way. So it says Happy Easter, and it's a little pink truck, and it's got the little bunny butt sticking out of it. It's so cute. And then I have this huge sign, this huge Happy Easter sign. Very cute. I got these little ones. I thought they would look really good like on the side tables maybe, or on the bookshelf. So this one says follow the bunny, he has the chocolate. This one says this chick's ready for Easter. Then I got this little potted plant. I think this was actually from Dollarama, not Dollar Tree. That's the only thing that's from Dollarama. And then outside we always have a little fairy garden as well as a little gnome garden. So I picked up some stuff for that. So we got this cute little fairy house and these fairies. This I feel is more like a little gnome house. And then a little gnome reading a book and another little house. So we can add that to our fairy and gnome garden collection. Then I got this little rake and a little what is this called? A trowel. And some garden gloves with the pink flamingos. I thought they were so cute. And then over here, I've got this for Holden to find, like when he does his Easter hunt. This will be one of the things that he can find that's not necessarily candy. So it's a little ball shooter. So you put these little balls in and then you squeeze them and he shoots out the balls. Then we have some little activities for him to do. So we got this little painting canvas and this little ceramic painting set. So it's a little ceramic Easter egg he can paint. This foam shape. So it's got a little bunny and he can stick on, it's like stickers, and he can stick on and make the bunny. I got this plain Easter egg that he can just decorate however he wants and paint. I got these little eggs. They're just for decoration. We'll use those today. And then I also got some stuff to do an Easter tree. So I did not put my huge tree back up. I'm going to use Holden's little mini tree. And we're going to make a little Easter tree. And I thought, we're going to see. These might be a little bit too big, but we'll see if these can go on there as well. I got them in pink, purple, and blue. And you can just stick those in the tree. I thought that would be really cute. Also, as part of his like Easter egg hunt, he's going to find these boxes of sidewalk chalk. Holden absolutely loves sidewalk chalk. And then we have some candy. So we've got some cookie and cream eggs. We've got these chocolate with the Crispies in them. And then these pretzel eggs. And then of course, you have to have mini eggs. Some regular chocolate eggs and this Paw Patrol egg. So that is what I picked up from the Dollar Tree for Easter and spring. And now let's go ahead and start with the Easter decorating. I'm hoping that I'm going to be able to get it all done today, but I'm not 100% sure. So if you guys see me switch outfits halfway through this, the light's starting to fade pretty quickly. So I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to get everything done today. If I run out of time, then I'll just finish it another day. But anyways, let's get started.
Okay guys, so I'm going to go ahead and start with this little tree. So this was the little Christmas tree that we had in Holden's bedroom, and I just went ahead and I went and found it in all my Christmas stuff, and I took it out and I undecorated it for Christmas, and I'm just going to put these little LED lights on them. I had like bigger lights that had green string for Christmas, but obviously I didn't really want that, so I found these little black lights, and they have the black string with white lights. And I'm going to go ahead and use that, and then I'm just going to decorate it with all these little eggs and these little bunnies that we got from the Dollar Tree. And well, you guys will see at the end, but I really like how it turned out. It looks super cute. I have always wanted to have a tree year round, and I did leave up my Christmas tree for Valentine's Day. But I find in my house is just too small to leave up my huge tree. If we ever get a bigger house, then I probably would do that. But yeah, it's too small to leave my huge Christmas tree up all year round. But I would love to have a tree just for every single holiday and decorate it. I think it's so fun, especially a Halloween tree. I would love that. I've always wanted to do that ever since I was a kid.
Together, baby, we don't gotta stay. Let's lose our minds. We could go crazy and leave it all behind. It could be glorious, 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 glorious. It could be glorious, 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 glorious. Say what you feel. I don't even know if this is real.
How cute is this, you guys? I absolutely love the way the tree turned out. So now I'm just going to go ahead and go through this box of Easter decorations. I don't have a bunch of decorations for really any holiday other than Christmas, but every year I slowly add to it little by little. So I just wanted to go through and see what all I had, and then we can kind of work on these special areas that I'm going to decorate. So like I said, for any area other than Christmas, for any holiday other than Christmas, I don't have a lot of decorations, so I like to kind of just have like kind of pops of decorations throughout the house. So there's always a little area right on my kitchen countertop that I always use, and then I also have one by my front door, and then usually by my TV stand. I try to make like little pops of decorations in those areas. So I'm just kind of going to, I usually do them on trays, so as you guys can see, I'm just kind of like messing around trying to figure out the placement of everything and see what's going to look the best for all of those areas.
Glorious, glorious. Cause if I'm the ocean, you're the rain. We only need each other, baby, you know we're the same. It could be glorious, 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 glorious. It could be glorious, glorious.
So now that I finished that first little decor piece, I'm going to go ahead and place it by the area by my front door, and I really like how it turned out. I'll show you guys an overview of everything in the end. But now I wanted to just quickly tidy up my living room. You guys are going to get a little bit of cleaning motivation here as well, because it was kind of a mess, and I always want to start off with a clean slate when I'm decorating an area. So I try to make sure that the area that I'm going to is clean, just that way it looks better and I kind of can see things with fresher eyes. So I'm gonna go ahead, tidy all that up. My kids had toys all over the place. So we'll do that, and then we're gonna start decorating in the living room.
Every time I see your face, I'm losing track of time and space. I don't know where I am, it's like I'm wasted. and I won't waste it. And I promise that I will stand by you forever. I can't get you out of my mind. I will follow you wherever, and I won't waste this. I'll follow you, yeah. I'll follow you, yeah. Could you come a little closer now, 'cause I don't want to.
Okay, so I decided to put that tree right by my TV stand, and I added this little sign that says spring, and I also had a little sprig of flowers that I'm going to put in there as well. Then I wish I had more of these eggs, because I filled this little tray all the way up with eggs, and I loved how it looked. But later on in the video, you guys will see I end up using some of the eggs in a different area, and I just wish I had more of them. If I go back to the Dollar Tree anytime soon, I'm going to just stock up on them because they're so cute and they're so nice to just like add to anything. So I definitely need more of those. Now I'm going to put this little sign along with this little pink bunny rabbit by the other side of the TV, and then I'm going to add this little, I bought these two little bunnies and they're so cute and they just sit so perfectly on the end table. So I'm going to go ahead and add one of those on each. Last year I had them on the bookshelf and they were cute there as well. And then this is the Easter wreath that I made, I think the year before last. I do have a video of me making that wreath, so I will link that in the description box below somewhere. But yeah, that is a homemade wreath, so I do have a video of me doing it. Yeah, and then now we're going to go ahead and work on the last little area, which is the one that goes in my kitchen. So I had a little bit of a harder time with this one, and I do end up adding those eggs into that little bowl. But I had a harder time with this area. I was trying a whole bunch of different things and nothing was really working. I wanted something like with a little bit more height. And I finally ended up getting it, obviously, but it took a little while. And that's definitely my advice. When you guys are decorating, just have fun with it. Play around. You can always change things up. It doesn't have to be so serious. Just have a lot of fun with it. That's what I always do anyways. So these are the after shots. You guys can see the little pops of Easter throughout my house, and I am super, super happy with how everything turned out. All of these little areas turned out so cute. Like I said, I definitely do want to go ahead and get some more Easter decorations, but for now I'm really happy with what I have. And yeah, I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video and got some ideas from it.
I've tried, written down the words to say. It is time. I've been waiting 5 days to explain how you make me feel inside. Baby, got it all figured out. Wanna do this right. There's no doubt in my mind. Baby, you're the one. And tonight I am going all the way.
All right, you guys, thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I really hope that you enjoyed today's video and that I gave you some inspiration on how to decorate for Easter. Let me know in the comments down below if this is your first video of mine. I would absolutely love to hear from you. And if you have not done yet, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I'm on the road to 2,000 subscribers, and I would really love to have your support if you did enjoy today's video. Anyways, without further ado, I will just go ahead and see you guys in the next one. Bye!
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know.